Hello once again, everybody. It's 9:34 and 15 seconds now on December 14th. This is the main drawing for the New Mutants 98. Over here are the 22 filled spots. Kevin Stitch, spot 20, you came in third place in the mini. There's your one spot. Barney, you came in second place. There are the two spots you won from the mini. And Javier, you came in first place. So there are the four spots that you won in the mini. I'm going to roll the three dice. Number is 8. I'm going to randomize 8 times. Name at the top of the list gets the slab. I will try my best to actually get it out in today's mail. Okay, so here we go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and here's the final one. 8. Spot 8, Cody Goodrich. Congratulations. Time is 9:35 and 11.